Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. I received this Baby Boom XL Altec Lansing speaker for free from Best Buy because I am a Best Buy blogger and I'm taking a look at the speaker today. I've already started using it, so I just wanted to give you a quick unboxing of what you get in the box with the speaker. This is the Baby Boom XL. So you've got your bass here and your treble here. Again, like I said, I've tried this already. Your power button, we'll turn it on.
Powering on. Welcome to Altec Lansing.
So now it's in pairing mode. You can see the light blinking there. You got your volume down, volume up. This corresponds to the volume on your phone when you connect it, or your tablet or any other device. Down here is where its charging port is located. Now this speaker is floatable, so they make this very tight, as you can see, which is good. We're almost in. Okay, and this stays attached, and you can see the micro USB port right here for charging, and then there's a reset button right in there. It's recessed. This stays attached, which is great, and then this seals up the port again. I wish they would have used USB Type-C because that's what really everyone's using now. We'll turn this off. Now this is rated for 6 hours of use. You have a little attachment here and they give you a carabiner. We'll go further inside the box. It's a small box. A little bit of documentation there. They give you a charging cable, USB to micro USB right there. They give you some stickers and, like I said, a little carabiner. And this thing attaches right here. So you can attach to your backpack or whatever. It does kind of get loud. The volume is loud, but then it starts breaking up a little bit when you go past about 80% loudness on the speaker. So, I mean, it doesn't cost very much, so it's at a good price point, but the performance is not so great once you get above 75–80%. And again, you get the bass out of this side and the treble out of this side, and it kind of radiates out of the back of this unit here. But this is where your sound will come out of. It's floatable, so that's a nice little thing to have. You just have it in the pool and play music from your phone sitting on a dry area, and you get some accessories with it. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. Also follow me on Instagram, 24K as well. Thank you.